niggas with it on merry-go. My niggas get it on merry-go. You know how we living, we keeping it crippin'. If you went out with it, you gotta go. I keep a heat, so I gotta blow. I'm from the streets, you gotta know. 254, 253rd, 252nd, and merry-go. So I get a call the other day telling me I gotta come get this car, man. I got 1 week to come get my car, and it's not finished. And I done paid them all the money to finish the car, and it's not finished. They're selling the building and going out of business. I got 1 week to come get my car. So yeah, I'm hot. I'm upset because I know that they knew that they was gonna be selling this building when I dropped my car off. Y'all should have let me know that this building was for sale and y'all was going out of business when I dropped this car off, and there's a possibility that it wouldn't be finished. I would have never left my car here had I known that this building was for sale and that y'all was gonna be going out of business. I can't hold nobody accountable for the work that was done. I can't take you to court, no kind of lawsuits or anything, because you guys are gone and out of business. So I would have never put myself in this situation. This is something they should have told me when I dropped my car off. So yeah, I'm upset. So I come up here with a lightweight attitude like I'm really finna do something, knowing damn well I ain't finna bust a grape and golf shoe. That's what I ain't gonna do, and I ain't finna threaten nobody and go to jail for
Carolyn,
no bullshit ass
I'm gonna
threat.
need a refund.
On what?
On whatever you guys didn't do. Every part that's not accounted for and the labor that you guys haven't done. I've already paid you guys when I wasn't supposed to pay you for stuff that you haven't done yet. So, and you guys are out of here next week, but no, you guys had a 30-day notice and I get a week's notice. I gotta go find a tow truck, a new mechanic, and so I need to be refunded for what I paid for that wasn't done.
Is there anything on his bill that's not
No, it's
done?
done.
So the car's running?
There's no power to the coil because something's wrong inside.
No. No, I need to be refunded, bro. I'm telling you, bro. You're not gonna just take my money like that, bro, and ain't finish the fucking job.
Anything, first off.
Seriously, I'm not.
First off,
You think I'm gonna go for that? You crazy as fuck. You crazy as fuck, bro. I paid you for all kind of shit that ain't even been done yet.
Dude, it is done now.
No, you crazy as fuck. If this engine don't start up, bro, you finna be refunding my money. I swear to God, you're gonna be refunding my money, bro. You're not finna take my money. I'm telling you.
Don't come in here threatening me.
Man, you take it how you want to take it, bro. But I'm not playing with your ass. I'm serious as fuck. I'm not playing with you, bro. There's no fucking way you're gonna take my money and you out of here next week. You crazy as fuck. This car's supposed to be running. The car runs, bro. The engine that was in here was running. I'd never had a wire harness problem.
Dude, look at all the wires.
I don't care about that. All it takes.
All of this I had to, well, he covered it up now. All of this I had to
start
repair.
this engine up, bro.
All of this I had to repair.
Yeah, start it up. How do I know this fan works? Start it up. You charge me $370 to wire this shit up. I don't even know if it works.
It's done.
I don't know if it works. And it's not running. That's not what I paid you $7,500 for. You installed all these parts on your own. Nobody gave me a heads up on anything, bro.
Dude, I told you, and she called me several times. Oh,
no,
yeah.
she never called me. All she calls for is for payment.
No, let's get her out of here. Because she called you and told you several times. Do you want us to
go get her out of here? Oh, she just calls me and tell me how much I owe. She never said you was gonna be replacing any of the shit. You just started buying shit on your own, charging me for no reason.
You didn't have a fuel pump.
I didn't have a fuel pump. I had an oil filter, it was on there. I got pictures of everything, bro. The car was running. It came out a fucking running car, bro. The engine that was in here before was running. So
okay.
This car is supposed to be running, bro.
Okay, I don't know what you want to do.
You gotta refund me some money, bro. If you think, I'm telling you, bro.
Are you threatening me?
No, I'm telling you, you're not gonna just take my money like that. I swear to God, you're not. You think it's no repercussions?
I didn't take your money.
You gonna take my money? Who did? Carolyn? The shop was, no.
This is not my shop.
Whose shop is it?
It's the owner's shop.
Who's the owner?
John, he died.
So who's in charge?
I'm not doing this with you.
Who's in charge, bro?
We're in charge.
Okay, you're gonna refund my money. This shit, you gotta show me that it's working. I paid you for the labor, bro.
Turn the key. My bad. I thought there was no power going to the coil. It wouldn't wouldn't start on its own the other day. I had to hotwire it. Okay, let's put it. But there's a lot of extra stuff that I did. And we can't really put a bunch of fluid in the transmission because we don't have a drive line. So we can't really run the engine that long to set the timing and all that shit. And this carburetor, it hasn't run long enough for me to really know. It's not flooding over. Oh, but then again, I didn't put any fuel in the tank because I don't know what you said about the fuel tank. You told me something.
And the fuel tank is brand new.
Okay. And this here, the fuel line was crushed and smashed. So I just put a piece of hose.
The fuel line was not, it was, what do you mean crushed and smashed?
Whoever pulled the old engine out, I assume they left the fuel line connected to the fuel pump or something because the fuel line was all bent and creased. And it was extra work to do the radiator. Your original radiator cap is in the trunk or in the floor somewhere in the car. We had to lower it down because it was hitting the hood. Couldn't shut the hood. That other radiator cap is a little bit thicker. This is as low as we could get the radiator. But yeah, I had to repair a lot of the wiring. I did just the very minimal to make it run. And I gave you cables that you didn't have, that we had here. I'm not charging you for that.
Not charging, bro. I paid you $75. Yeah, I was overcharged for everything. Went over the price list, bro. I was overcharged for hella shit on here, bro.
Like what?
Man, I go get the list, bro. $370 just to wire this up. That's fucking extreme.
It was probably
to
like
wire this fucking fan up is extreme, bro. I just don't want to do this shit, but I know how to do all this shit.
You know what?
That's extreme, bro.
That was probably, I'm pretty sure I remember doing 2 hours labor.
2 hours to wire this up? That's fucking extreme. To connect this fan, $370? Man, when I go over that price list, the fucking price you charge me for what else, man? Fucking water, whatever.
Get your paperwork. She just printed it up yesterday and wanted to go over it with you. What's up? Nothing. What's up?
You got a call about a subject disturbance over here. Somebody was.
Fuck, did she call?
You guys good though?
Yeah,
Hold on.
good.
Let me see.
Okay.
We had a dispute over money that I paid for this car to get serviced, and they're going out of business. When I brought this car here, no one told me that this building was for sale or that they were going out of business.
Okay.
So they just said they got a 30-day notice, but they only give me a week's notice. And my car is not finished, and I paid them $7,500. So that's been the dispute. And what I paid them for was this car to get an engine installed and running. And I get a call Monday or a couple days ago telling me you got 1 week to come get your car and it's not done. We're not gonna be able to fix it. This building's been sold. They're out of here on the 1st. So that's the dispute.
Okay.
And so I was trying to get some of my money back because I paid them $7,500 and it's not complete. The job is not done, and I would have never brought my car here had I known there's a possibility that this wouldn't be finished.
Okay,
no one ever told me that this building was for sale and that they were going out of business.
That's going to turn into a civil matter for you, unfortunately. Right. But like I said, we got a call that's, there was a disturbance.
Yeah, that's the disturbance.
Obviously, you guys are good? Are you okay?
I guess so. I mean, he's saying the car's not done, but it's done as I can get it with the parts that he gave me.
Okay. So
He just now started it.
all right.
I don't have a shifter. I don't have a drive shaft. I don't have any of that stuff.
Because you haven't been in contact with me now.
Oh, I told you about the drive shaft.
No, but
You said you were going to have one made.
All right. So on my end, do you need me here?
I'm not sure. I mean, if he's going to be threatening me.
Did I threaten you?
So hey,
No, but you said you're not going to take my money. I'm not going to do that. Are you fucking crazy? That's what you told me.
No, you're not going to take my money. Hell no, you crazy as fuck. No.
What else do you want to do? The car runs. What else do you want to do?
Well, you just showed me that right now.
hey, so do me a favor. You guys are gonna be able to keep this civil, right?
Yeah, we'll keep it civil, yeah.
So you're good? All
Yeah,
right.
it's nothing
No
physical.
threatening, no fighting, none of that?
None of that. No, hell no.
All right.
I'm not going to jail for nobody.
All right. I
No,
appreciate it.
I got my own.
Here's the deal. It's a civil matter. It's between you guys.
Right.
So if whatever is going on in civil matter, that has nothing to do with me.
Right.
Unfortunately, I can't help either of you guys with that. You two need to come to a civil, outcome on this and figure it out. So that being said, can I get a little information from you just so I know I talked to you, man?
What you want?
What's your name?
Here.
You need my information too?
Yeah, just so I can say I spoke with you. But look, so obviously you're pretty calm right now.
Yeah.
Somebody called though. He's saying that you guys are okay right now.
Yeah, no, we've been okay.
So go,
Nah, it's not gonna, no physical altercations or nothing like that.
no,
no,
threats,
hell no.
nothing. So if you don't let it get
No,
physical.
I'm not going to jail for no fucking threat.
All right, man. I appreciate
No,
you.
hell no.
So you guys.
I'm smarter than that, bro.
So the owner said that you owe $380. She said you can just take the car.
Okay,
Just take it.
all right,
But she wants it out today.
okay.
All right.
Minutes?
Came in today yelling, pushing
Of
up on
course,
Brian.
I wasn't pushing up on nothing. We're trying to get a clear understanding of what's gonna go down. You guys just gave me a week's notice. You guys had a 30-day notice that you wasn't gonna be here, right?
When can you take
But
the
why
car
didn't you
out?
give me a 30-day notice?
When can
And why would you even take the job
We
if
didn't
you...
have a 30-day notice if the owner was going to die. So I'm very sorry about that.
No, you said
but
you sold the building. Now he's dead.
Levert, hey, check it out.
You just
I'm
said
not
you
here
sold
to-
the building. And you guys
Hey.
got a 30-day notice.
Hey.
But you give me a week's notice.
Hey, brother.
So it's a big inconvenience for me.
They want your car out of here?
I'll get it out of here, but I can't get it tomorrow? Okay, you gonna give me 5 minutes?
we're not open on Saturday and Sunday.
Okay, I'll come get it. I'll come get it today. What time you close?
5.
All right. Motherfucking weirdos, Yeah, magic.
Not bad. My phone be tripping when I'm at the house.
Man, that motherfucker. You need to upgrade, bro.
Man, listen, no, I'm over here by that Air Force base.
Oh. Hey, yeah, I mean, as soon as you can. We low-key got into it up here, so. She told me that. Yeah, we low-key got into it up here at this shop, so they want my car out of here today.
Alright. Well, shit. Let me get dressed. You up there now?
Yeah, I'm up here, but I'm finna go back to the shop for a second. What time you think you'll make it?
You want me to just pick it up, or?
Yeah, if you could yeah, just
Go out there and pick it up and bring it to you.
okay.
I'll pick it up and I'll bring it to you.
All right.
Alright.